Today, we're going to be walking you around this really fantastic 2020 Toyota RAV4 XL. And the reason I say it's fantastic is because it's quite a big mid-size family SUV. So the practicality that you get with this car is incredible. And because it's an XL model, the specification is so fully loaded. You get so much equipment as standard on this car. The car itself, as I said, a 2020, it's done 63,000 miles with a full Toyota main dealer service history. And critically, that means that you get the Toyota Relax warranty. So this car will stay under manufacturer's warranty all the way until it's 10 years old. So that would be 2030 for this car, as long as you take it back to Toyota every year to service it. This car was last serviced at the end of 2025, so it's got till the end of 2026, I believe November time, of extended Relax warranty still on it. Quite incredible from the brand. Really great peace of mind when you're buying an older car as a used customer. It's hybrid, self-charging hybrid, great on fuel economy as well. And let's start talking about some of the spec, some of the features. And obviously, I think it's a great looking car, very aggressive, very close to its Lexus sort of cousin in terms of its styling. We've got adaptive cruise control hidden behind the Toyota badge in the front there. And we've got front and rear park distance control with a reverse camera. Automatic headlights. And as we come around the side, I love this almost titanium finish to the alloy wheels as well. They're a beautiful paint finish, and I really do think they work really nicely with the metallic silver bodywork. Nice Toyota badge in the center there. Really loads of sort of travel for the suspension as well, just giving you an idea of how sensible this car is in terms of if you want to go across a field, you've got, you know, kids playing football at the weekend, you need to go and park across a field and things like that. It's so useful to have that extra travel, and obviously massive sidewalls on the tire build into comfort. As we come down the side, we start talking about tech. Keyless entry and keyless go. So you have your key in your pocket and walk up to the car and just put your hand inside the door handle. The door will open for you. We've got blind spot monitoring, which is this little logo in the corner of the mirror there, just there in the side of the mirror there. And what that essentially does is light up if there is a car in your blind spot, which is this usual area over here, in your blind spot on the motorway, changing lanes, things like that. We've got full leather inside, so go inside and have a look. And we believe we've got a man-made sort of leather across the tops and the middle of the dashboard as well, but the seats, full leather. RAV4 rubber overmats as well. And the condition of the car, and we're always talking about condition of this car is just fantastic. It's been so well looked after. As I say, the Toyota service history backing that up, a full and total Toyota main dealer service history. Black roof rails on the top, just breaking that color scheme up. Privacy glass to the rear three quarters. And if you go inside and have a look, this is what I was talking about in terms of the size. For a mid-size SUV, it's probably one of the most generous in terms of rear passenger size, in terms of the space that you get in the rear seats, headroom size, because it's quite a square car. So it really does lend itself to a growing family. And if I shut that door and come around the back of the car, lots of lovely other features. We've got a tow bar, Toyota tow bar with electrics. We've got a power tailgate as that goes up. And then internally, obviously your parcel shelf is here, and under this very large boot, and if I just remove the parcel shelf, you can see just how much space you have in the back of this car. It's an enormous boot space. And you've got an alloy wheel, spare wheel in there as well. It is a space saver, but still how unusual that is in 2026 to find a modern car with an actual spare wheel. So again, all of those things that you would want in a family car that give you peace of mind. If I jump in now, I'll fire that hybrid battery engine drivetrain into life. If I can get my words out. It should just switch on here. Bear with me 1 second. Push the brake pedal. There we are. I'm going to go down to being user error, that one on me, or a key battery, which obviously we will replace if it is low. But now we're in, obviously being a hybrid, you see you just get the Ready logo in the dashboard there. You've got no engine noise because we're currently on the batteries, we're on the electric motors. And we'll just draw your attention back to the driver's door card, because I said about equipment. Again, check out this. We've got full electric windows for all four windows, a really easy child lock for the window lock for the rears, which is very, very nice if you've got kids in the back. Electrically adjustable, and I believe auto folding mirrors, and memory settings for the electric driver's seat. So 2 individual memory settings for this fully electric driver's seat, which has also got lumbar control. As we move into the actual steering column itself, let's talk about some of even better buttons. We've got heated wipers down here, which is a really lovely thing to have, and we've got a heated steering wheel. So lots of luxury touches in a RAV4 these days as well. If we move on to the steering wheel, your button here for your adaptive cruise control, your lane keep assist, and your standard cruise control settings are over here. On the left-hand side, you've got your volume controls, voice activation, and Bluetooth controls, and you can adjust that display in front of you. So if I just press the back arrow, there's plenty of screens that you can run through on that infotainment, or sort of infotainment multifunction display in front of me. As we move over to the center console, a really critical thing, this car has the Apple CarPlay upgrade, which is very, very rare on this generation of RAV4. So really nice to see. And if you do want to plug your phone in, there is a USB slot. If you do want to plug your phone in, Apple CarPlay will fire up on this screen, making it very, very usable. Again, bringing the car right up to current age in terms of modernity with your tech. I love all the controls. I love how big and I'm going to say basic, but importantly basic. Cars have gone so digital these days that all the controls for air conditioning and HVAC are all now touch. These are actual big rubberized controls. They're so easy, they're so tactile. I love the ergonomics of this car. 2 zones for your heated seats in the front here, a very easy to use drive control for the gear stick, and then your drive modes down here that will put it either into EV mode, sport, or comfort. Big cup holders, loads of storage, another load of storage under here, and a removable shelf in the armrest, USBs under there, even down to a glasses holder. It feels a bit old school, but one of those things that are actually really handy, an anti-dazzle rear view mirror. And I'll just jump out now and summarize this really lovely Toyota RAV4. So as I said at the beginning, the beauty of this car is how much equipment you get in that XL model line. Then we talk about the condition. It's such wonderful condition. That's why we've chosen to sell this car, because of the condition and the service history with that Toyota Relax warranty, always extendable up until this car is 10 years old. My name is Matthew. I hope the video's helped. Thanks for watching.